Now, I showed you most of this slide before. It's very important to understand that ADHD is just part of a much larger neurodevelopmental disorder spectrum. You may have heard of the autistic spectrum. That's a part of that spectrum. The inattention, the hyperactivity, anxiety, conduct, anxiety, depression are all other aspects in the spectrum. In one study, in ADHD, 50%, you can see from the right-hand side there, the numbers in black, 50% had a comorbid condition among those that are listed in the lower right, conduct disorder, anxiety, or depression. 30% had anxiety, 30% had depression. And about 50% were just straight ADHD in that one study. And then, as I mentioned before, the genes overlap. The genes don't only overlap between ADHD and autism, but they also overlap in epilepsy, intellectual disability, schizophrenia, and also metabolic disorders, congenital heart disease, and others. And the conditions in green on the lower bottom of the slide, those are many of the conditions which are known to genetically overlap, meaning the genes that will cause any of those conditions overlap with the genes that will cause any of those other conditions. They also phenotypically overlap in that patients will often have more than one at the same time.